I can make out evacuate the area. Eh? For us, surely. There it goes again. Good morning, everyone. I don't know what the hell that flipping alarm was. I feel like I can get blown up in a minute or something. Imagine. Probably doing some blasting or something on the road down there, I don't know. I do know what I need to buy though. I need a chair. A little chair. There. I forgot to bring one. It's mad though, isn't it, when you can wake up, just open your door, and this is your view. What I'm going to do today, I think, it's now 10:15. I reckon I'm going to make yesterday's video, just so that's sort of done, and then I'm going to head back down the way that I came. I think there's a dam down there, go have a look at that. Yeah, do that, and then go down, have a little drive, not too far. I'm going to go to that air at the fire station again. Hopefully there's no one having a bloody shower there this time. God's sake. Because I need to empty my toilet and whatever. Do that. Bring my water again. Probably get some fuel if I can see it somewhere. Yeah, I don't want to drive too far today. I can't bother. I don't want to repeat of last night. I didn't get here till 10. I mean, that was my fault because I kept stopping every 3 minutes for a flipping photo. But that's all part of it, ain't it? I don't know when I'm going to be here again, so you just got to get everything you can. Like I said in yesterday's video, you know, I'm sort of more with photography wise. There's two ways you can do it. Some people like to, you know, go out, hike to a location, probably twice, you know, go there before, find the spot, then go back at sunset or whatever, and that's fine. Like, that's one way to do it. Whereas I prefer to, I mean, obviously that doing it that way, then you know, you get that sick one image. Whereas I prefer to sort of go around an area, drive around like I did last night, and just get like a load, you know, because there's pictures everywhere. You just, as long as you just got to keep moving, because the actual taking the image don't take long, does it? You know, as long as you set yourself up, get your composition, whatever. But once you've took it, you might as well move and go get another one, because there's plenty to be had. I mean, look where we are around here, it's crazy. There's a picture every flipping 5 seconds. Yeah, I think I'm going to head back down, because yesterday was a bit of a waste, really. Because the whole time, you know, I drove to that, what is it, Bourg Saint Maurice. I sat there for 3 hours uploading the video. You know, by that point, I'd had enough. Because it was baking, and the old day was a bit of a write-off, to be honest, but oh well. I think this is the thing, like, there's no rush. I'm not in a rush while I'm out here. Just living, really. It's just the day-to-day, like, there's no time limit. There's no nothing, so if I do lose a day, or lose a day, that's strong, because I still saw all that awesome stuff, so it was worth it. I would like to walk up there, but I think it's one of them. Looks kind of small, but I think by the time you know, it's going to be a long ass journey getting up there, and I can't get, my internet isn't good enough here to load that app, you know, with the trails, so I can't even see where I need to go. I need to get out of the mindset that I'm just on a holiday. I mean, because, you know, it is an holiday, but there's no reason why I can't come back. Like, I now know this place, and it's the same with all the other places. It's like that where I was before, that Latour, you know, that's now in here. There's no reason. No, I'm going to go back there. When I go through, I'll stop there again because it was chill there. But realistically, I can stay out here as long as I want. You know, if I need to go back to England, I can just go back and then come back out. Like, it's simple as that, really, isn't it? This is my house. I've got what I need. There's no schedule. That's kind of a weird, thing to process. Right, I'll stop waffling now. Get some stuff done. Changed my mind. I'm just going to peace out now. I think I'm not going to go far. I'm just going to go to that fire station and empty all my stuff, and then figure out from there, I guess. It's Wham! Oh, the question is finding the bloody thing again. Maybe I'll just head back down that road until I remember where I am, pretty much. Let's just wing it. Because that is what we do best. I need some good music though. Bears Den, that will do. That will do. Yeah. This looks interesting down. My God, look at that. Whoa. You know I'm going on there taking a photo. Let's go for a little wander down here. I already know the photo that I want. God, look at that water. Woohoo. I love the perspectives that the fish eye can give you. How cool is that look? Oh, there's a bus parked behind me, come on. Well, this is less than ideal. There we go, job done. So that went time round. Oh, look at that! Woo! However you say it. Right, let's do this quickly. You can smell me brakes, even though I was being careful. Water for rinsing containers. Better brim all my water and stuff as well while I'm here, innit? So this is my little system I've got going on. So I have my big tank under here. Obviously that's quite heavy and it's a bit of a ball ache to get out. So what I do is have my little jugs here, which I top this up with, and then I use these. When I go to the air, I fill these up with the water. It's just easier. So now I'll just pop outside, fill these 2 bottles back up, and then I've got like, what, 60 litres of water. So, it's not a bad little system. I'm sure there's other ways, but this is working for me at the minute. What did I tell you? Like, every bloody time I use an air, someone else wants to use it. Middle of nowhere. Right. Yes, I did just wash my hands. Thank you. Oh, for sake. This is taking a piss now. Just wow. If it gets any worse, I'm gonna have to go back and get it fixed. You can't. That's it. Oh, barely eat a flipping sandwich. Oh, fuck. I don't understand why it's stopping me opening my mouth. I need to find out where the hell we're going. Unless by some miracle any subscribers are dentists in the Chamonix area that fancy having a look for me. I don't know how dental care works out here. Obviously if I go back to England, well, it's not even free there, is it? I suppose it'll be free if I have to go hospital to get it out. What piss take? Why do it have to come while I'm out here? That's a joke. I want to go buy a chair. I might have to call in that Super U for the 4th time again on the way back through. Go get a little chair. Super U. So this says 25 kilometres, yeah, before it plans the route. The reason I'm not going down, you see, I could just go south and go all the way to the bottom, to the coast, but I don't want to do that yet.
Proceed to highlighted
57. Fucking. Yeah, I don't want to do that yet because I'm not 100% sure what my plan is. I'm going to go into Italy, definitely. But that coast with Croatia and everything, I'm not sure yet. I don't know. Because, you know, looking around and stuff, I don't know if it's particularly van friendly. By that I mean, like, you know, places to park, places to dump your thing, fill up water, whatever. But if I don't do that, you know, I might go around Italy and then come back into France on the south coast and go across there or something, and then go into Spain. I don't know. Need to figure it out. I'm not sure yet. I've been there before. I've been all the way around the outside of Spain, like Portugal, and then right across the bottom of France as well, but that was in my little van. It would be a different experience in this one. I don't know. We'll see. For now, let's just go, see what happens. Alright, I'll see you at Super U. Okay. Back. I reckon I should have my own parking spot here soon. I'm just going to pop in, get me a chair. I didn't even need the sat-nav coming down. I knew where I was going. I don't know if that's a good thing or a bad thing. I don't know. Alright, back in a sec. And we're back with some stuff. Most importantly, coffee. It's about run out. Right, I'm going to head back up the valley now, I think. Go to La Tour again. It's actually quiet there, so. Okay, that might be the weirdest feeling I've ever encountered, actually. 2 weeks ago, I never even knew this place existed. Now I've just come back here and it feels like home. That's a bit weird, that is, isn't it? The reason I decided to come back here is, number one, because it's familiar. So it's the right place to stop before I decide what else I'm doing. And number two, I think I'm going to go up one of these bigger mountains, I reckon. Not today, obviously, maybe tomorrow or the next day. I don't even know what day it is today. Is it Wednesday or Thursday? No idea. Yeah, either tomorrow or the next day anyway. I think. I mean, it'll be hard, but it's doable. So yeah, that's the plan.